Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually quit the game without saving. So basically the game doesn't really allow you to do so, but if you really did something wrong with your game, for example, let's go to game mode, creative, and let's say that you are on your survival mode. You've built your house, you've done everything, and somehow, or like, you did something really bad, which is, for example, as you can see, or let's use this house as an example. Let's say that this is your house, and you totally forgot that you have a bucket of lava in here, just like so, and your house just kept burning. The lava went everywhere, you couldn't really stop it from happening, and you really felt so bad. Like, for example, for those who has like a big house and they can't really afford to rebuild it, they will feel like disappointment, or like, do you feel like depressed after losing their house? I will be depressed if I lost my Minecraft house after, like, I've lost my sweat and time on it. What you can really do to really fix it, basically you can, just like so, you can go to your PC and click on your for window and R, and from there you can go to that, write this one up, data, and just like so you can go to Minecraft, go to saves. This word that I am on it right now, it's still not saved yet. So how can I get the version that I was at when I first opened this word? Basically you can just copy, for example, the name, this folder, click on Ctrl C, or let's come here and copy, and then quit the game, delete the folder, and then you can paste the folder again, and the game will be at what you say you were at the beginning before you saved it right now. So that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.